Hello, my name is Spencer Clark, co-owner of AA, Action and Achievement Wellness Systems. If you can shape it in your mind, you will find it in your life. And I'm here to give you a chance to take a look at our revolutionary new application, why it is the best option for you to promote your company as Samsung in the coming months. And I believe that you will be pleasantly surprised with our product. Choose us because as the slogan goes, if you can shape in your mind, you'll find it in your life. AAWS was founded in July of 2021 by Spencer Clark and Raquel Guzman. Our headquarters is in Carlsbad, California, with our physical location for R&D also being in our hometown of Carlsbad off of Palomar Airport Boulevard. Action and Achievement Wellness Systems is the brainchild of Spencer Clark, who, after going through a rough patch in his life, coming out stronger, imagined and devised an application which revolutionized the life, health, wellness, and fitness industries. But first, about our team. We have a biochemistry and liberal arts degree with an emphasis in science and mathematics, as well as a degree in entrepreneurship and certificates in professional personal fitness training, nutrition, and kinesiology. We have extensive experience in the fields of kinesiology, fitness, diet, nutrition, meal planning, exercise, prescription, and various other areas related to kinesiology and fitness. In this area, we have many years in exercising, muscle building, nutrition, and have years of martial arts and high intensity interval training, functional resistance training. We have education in a variety of fields such as stress management, yoga, psychology, physiology, chemistry, mathematics, biology, biochemistry. We also have professional training in tutoring and supplemental instruction, and have taught as a supplemental instructor and tutor for multiple years at America's highest paid community college, which happens to be Maricosta College. We have vast experience in property management, running day-to-day, and other forms of operations required to run property. We have experience in business management, having managed multiple locations for combined many years, knowing how to run the day-to-day operations of a small business, including opening, closing, hiring, finance, inventory, payroll, and that's it. We have experience in caregiving, having done it for many years, and have experience in physical and mental maintenance and upkeep in other areas necessary, having given care. We have experience in medical assisting with years of experience in various forms of medication administration and symptom management. Social media. Our, ag- our agency represents accounts on Facebook and Instagram that are designed to spread brand awareness as well as motivate individuals in various ways. Here are some examples from both from our Instagram social media outlet. This is our brand's Instagram page, in which you see 3 different examples of promotional and advertising material. First, depicting a beautiful, serene cove with a person looking out to sea. This person looks out to sea as if he is making a decision whether to take action and fight the cold bite of the sea and the rough pull of the ocean, trying to make him give up, be pulled back to the starting point of the cave, or to stay in his cave and tell himself that he can do it tomorrow. The story goes to show that taking action is the first step towards becoming the greatest possible version of yourself. You have to continue to fight the current and the goal to reach your definite purpose. This is just one of the many metaphors that to achieve the greatest feat, you must take action. The second boat scene in the middle makes use of one of the many tools that our application and our arsenal can use to assist individuals in becoming their greatest self. It's one of our tools that we use to give positive self-talk, train in positive self-talk, and the aspects of writing it down and positive self-talk. Products and services. AAWS has various products and services, specialized daily reminders, tasks, events, and more. Various specialized systems and products to provide the brain with most effective signals to empower you to take action, maintain that action. Practical, effective, user-friendly exercises, guides, tips, strategies on how to eat, breathe, exercise, create habits, personal relationships, and more. Vast network of the best teachers, coaches, trainers, mentors, available at any time, any day, and any individual towards their definite purpose and the greatest version of themselves. Diet nutrition advice, support, and more, as well as various other products and services. The competition. The competition. Fabulous is the main competitor for AAWS and their mobile application action. Other competitors are mobile applications Calm and Headspace. Each of them have their own threats to and from AAWS in our products. Fabulous app is one of our main competitors, and actually the main one, because consumers can learn how to focus, concentrate, have better sleep, manage stress and anxiety, healthier eating and exercising, better habits, and to be more motivated with their smart and targeted health advice for healthy living. Their beginner's guides to exercising and workout plans. And they also offer incremental goals that start getting customers to fall asleep faster, to work out more, or any everything they desire at the low cost of $40 a year. Consumer need. The problem is that AWS aims to solve or keep people dreaming, hoping, wishing, instead of doing. The problem of a lack of a comprehensive, easy, effective, and attractive way getting individuals to start action and achieve the identity of the best version of themselves to achieve the definite purpose. The issue that 99% of people do not have a clear, definite purpose or definite achievement, nor clear goals and tools to allow them to work towards them. That many people don't know where to start in this consistently mental and physical health, education, relationships, etc. The lack of common practice of a widely known and used system for people to acquire self-confidence and other traits, skills, and more to reach their dreams and wishes. What makes us different? We provide an encyclopedic, thorough, overarching, and comprehensive app complete with systems that guide individuals towards finding and pursuing their definite purpose, creating the identity of the best possible version of themselves, and contributing their ultimate success to humanity and the world, thereby possibly solving critical issues and making the world a better place. Such a niche is a monumentally large task, and as such, there is not a comprehensive app that allows for a complete and total life reformation and perfection. A well thought out ideal customer is an important part of any company creating a product, but our target audience falls between the ages of 28 and 38. We will target all genders, including those in the LGBTQ plus communities, as we want to support everyone and make our products comfortable and safe for our consumers. We will aim first to target individuals who have completed college and are working full-time jobs. Those who less desire a practical, easy to use, and convenient product to help them achieve their goals. The income level we will target will be around mid-range income of about $60,000 a year. We will target all genders. Next target market will most likely be those individuals with kids with payments to make each month who are working full-time jobs with little time for activities. Those who would desire an easy way to fulfill these needs that they have through the use of an application that is thorough and comprehensive and will help any sort of crisis, stress, or other issue that these individuals are facing, who may have burnt out and are in a place in their life where they need motivation and encouragement in a product or service that will give them the tools to rebuild a solid foundation to build whatever they desire on top of. These individuals will get their news from social media, internet, applications, and TV.